Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showcasing some head wraps and some face masks. If you want to see how I tie up my head wraps so I can just be out here queening and doing my thing, stay tuned. Hey guys, so of course I'm dropping something a little different today than my traditional hairstyle tutorial. In our quest for long healthy hair, or just healthy hair if that's your goal, we have to learn how to protect it. And so I think a great way to protect my hair when I don't really want to style it, or I'm in the midst of deep conditioning or something like that, is head wraps, okay? So this style right here, number one, is one of my favorites, okay? Like this one gives me that whole turban vibe, had me feeling mad cute out here. Now I saw these head wrap and face mask sets on Facebook, and the company Diggin Her Roots were actually making these face masks and head wrap sets and donating them to our healthcare providers that were out there working on the front lines. And I was like, oh my God, that is so amazing. I have to get me one of these. So that's what I did. Now, as we know, the virus is still raging on, and these face masks and the head wraps can have you out there looking cute and protecting yourself. It's just wonderful. And also, I think the great thing about these face masks and hair wraps is that these jokers are handmade. And what this company does with the proceeds of anything that you purchase from their site, proceeds are sent to West Africa to support local artisans there. So I think that is so wonderful that even I'm out here in these streets looking mad cute with my head wraps and face masks. I'm protecting myself, and I'm also supporting someone else. And I thought that was so wonderful. Now style number two, boom, I love this one because that gives me kind of like this crown goddess vibe. Like, okay girl, let me go ahead and adjust my crown. Let me get everything together. And I think this is so cute. Now the wonderful thing about these head wraps and face masks, these jokers are really, really light. You can just hand wash them, some antibacterial soap, or wash them on cold in your washing machine. They still retain their color, and they basically look great. Now style number three. Now this is one of my favorites too. Y'all, basically every style that I'm about to show y'all is basically about to be one of my favorites. But I really like this one because like these head wraps were mad easy to work with. Like the fabric wasn't so long that I didn't know what to do with it, or like I couldn't put it somewhere, to make the style look mad cute. And this one was cute because I ended up with a nice little bow. Who doesn't like bows? Give me like a little pizzazz. Come on, do you see this? So cute. I see you, girl. Do your thing. All right, boom. Here go a whole nother pattern. Do y'all see that pattern? Oh my gosh. Okay, so for style 4, I kind of just wanted everything to be all covered and kind of just have like a nice little bow in the front. So that's what you're about to see here. Okay, boom. So if you are loving this tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you are loving my videos, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, okay? And if you are loving this even more, go ahead and comment down below with some crown or queen emojis, okay? So I know that y'all are really digging this. And boom, look at that! Isn't it cute? And look at that mask. Like, you cannot tell me these mask and head wrap sets are not fire. Like, these joints are straight fire. Like, I felt mad cute. Now, this style right here, Lord have mercy. I had to even change the music on this one, okay? Like, this one gave me a run for my money. So I had to use a whole nother scarf to just achieve the look that I wanted. And I was trying to get like that kind of up wrap, kind of like that Erykah Badu vibe, but child, I did the best I could. And I was almost like so close to not even including this one in the video, but you know what? It's whatever. I still look good, and it didn't turn out perfect, but hey, it still look good. What else? So for this one, I had to put another scarf in there so I can build up the height of the wrap that I was trying to attempt to do. But I mean, it turned out pretty cool. This particular head wrap style just required a lot of tucking and kind of like, you know, moving the fabric around and getting everything the way I really wanted it to look. And boom, there it goes. Alright, so for this final one, so as you can see, you see my stocking cap on top. It looks kind of bulky and big. I want to show you guys how these head wraps work when your hair is out. All my hair was out at that time, and so I just threw a stocking cap on top. So I can show you guys that even if you were like deep conditioning under there, or like you had to run out real quick and you didn't have time to braid your hair down, you can still do it with all your hair out. Just tuck that hair under that stocking cap and get to rolling, okay? And this one is really cool because I just wanted to have like a nice little bun on the back. I thought this was like mad cute. So go ahead and drop some comments down below and let me know which head wrap style was your favorite. I would love to know. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my head wrap tutorial. If you will, go ahead and hit me down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to purchase these. I sure hope you do. They're definitely for a good cause. Wait, do not forget to subscribe. I hope you made it this far, and I hope you subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.